We all love using AI to plan our vacations. Today, I'm going to show you how planning your next business meeting can be just as fun. Now, picture this. You want to plan a meeting of about 10 people who live in 5 different cities. Normally, that could be pretty time-consuming and manual, trying to find a location that works well for everyone. The Meeting Location Planner is built for exactly this type of scenario. It uses generative AI to recommend the best meeting location based on what you care about, such as cost, travel time, sustainability, or convenience. You simply enter the attendees and their departure cities, and it suggests the ideal city, in-policy hotels, and a budget estimate. Now, this isn't a replacement for event planning platforms. Nope, this is a lightweight, embedded tool designed for small, everyday meetings that are typically planned ad hoc and outside of your managed program. The Meeting Location Planner solves for common challenges, bringing visibility, efficiency, and intelligence to what would have been an unmanaged meeting. It's fully integrated into SAP Concur, so you can save time and avoid the usual back and forth that slows down planning, and you can easily budget for the total cost. It's a smart step forward for how distributed teams come back together, more often with less friction and within policy. And that's a wrap for this episode. If you found the information valuable, be sure to follow me on LinkedIn. And until next time, keep moving forward and stay miles ahead.